साथियों, इस दिवाली में आपकी डबल दिवाली का काम मैं करने वाला हूं। इस दिवाली में आपको एक बहुत बड़ा तोहफा देशवासियों को मिलने वाला है। पिछले 8 साल से हमने जीएसटी का बहुत बड़ा रिफॉर्म किया। पूरे देश में टैक्स के बर्डन को कम किया, टैक्स की व्यवस्थाओं को सरल किया और 8 साल के बाद समय की मांग है कि हम एक बार उसको रिव्यू करें। हमने एक हाई पावर कमेटी को बिठा करके रिव्यू शुरू किया, राज्यों से भी विचार विमर्श किया और मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, हम नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जीएसटी रिफॉर्म्स लेकर के आ रहे हैं। ये दिवाली के अंदर आपके लिए तोहफा बन जाएंगे। सामान्य मानवीय की जरूरतों के टैक्स भारी मात्रा में कम कर दिए जाएंगे। बहुत बड़ी सुविधा बढ़ेगी। हमारे एमएसएमई, हमारे लघु उद्योगी, इनको बहुत बड़ा लाभ मिलेगा।
GST 2.0. The Indian economy is like a grand orchestra. Every sector, every policy, every investor playing a different instrument. Sometimes the tune is melodious. Sometimes it's chaotic. And just when everyone had gotten used to the rhythm of GST, the goods and services tax, there comes a new announcement. GST 2.0. Yes, the government is hinting at a new upgraded GST framework. And like every good sequel, this one promises to be bigger, bolder, and far more impactful. But the million-dollar question is, how will this affect the Indian stock market? Let's imagine the market as a giant theatre stage. The Sensex and Nifty are the lead actors. Foreign investors are the directors, deciding where to put their money. Retail investors, that's you and me, are the enthusiastic audience. And then comes the government, rewriting the script with new reforms like GST 2.0. The original GST was like introducing a brand new screenplay in 2017, unifying multiple indirect taxes under one umbrella. Businesses took time to adjust, supply chains were disrupted, and yes, the markets went through volatility. But over time, GST became the backbone of India's tax system, making compliance easier and revenues more transparent. Now imagine GST 2.0 as a sequel that promises to fix the plot holes, smoothen the characters, and make the entire performance faster and better. If GST 1.0 was the beta version of a software, GST 2.0 could be the final stable release that businesses were waiting for. So how does this translate to market behavior? Short-term reaction. Markets are emotional, just like us. Any major reform brings uncertainty, and uncertainty brings volatility. The day GST 2.0 is officially announced, banking and financial stocks may see a rally first, as streamlined GST compliance could boost credit demand and improve cash flows. Sector winners, logistics, FMCG, and e-commerce could be the first beneficiaries. A smoother GST system means lower compliance costs, faster movement of goods, and better profit margins.